Look at this! Smart CuteBot microbit robot. You slot in the microbit in it and you get a ready-made car. So what is the alternate for this? You can very well buy just a microbit. You can buy a microbit expansion board, just slot it in and then give the necessary power from the LiPo battery. Then get a structure, get 2 wheels, 2 N20 motors, some connectors and fixtures, and that's it. You can make your own car. But if you are looking for a ready-made solution, forget about all this and look for the Smart CuteBot. So let's unbox and see what's inside. I have already done the unboxing and then I realized I was doing it in a portrait mode. So I am doing it again in landscape. So you might see something is already unpacked. But let's do it. Let's pretend that is the first time. So this is the manual comes with. So if you open the manual and see first few pages, I want to drag your attention in this page where you can see it has 2 IR receiver module below. Okay, and then you have power switch is there. Okay, IO expansion ports. You can put some servo motors there. 3 AAA battery. It can be powered up by 3 AAA battery. Then you have I2C port and ultrasonic sensor. It can fit in the front and that will look cool, right? Then you have the RGB headlight and behind you have rainbow LED, which is the NeoPixel, right tracking sensor P14 and left tracking sensor. So the tracking sensor and IR receiver. So sorry, the IR receiver means the remote control thing. So like your TV remote control or AC remote control, the remote control, using the remote control you can operate, you can program it what to be done. So that's what this IR receiver is all about. And then the good thing is you don't have to struggle. Anyway, they have mentioned what is the pin number P14, P15. That's very, very convenient. You can write your own microbit code from scratch for the CuteBot. But if you even want that to be ready-made, worry not. They have a CuteBot plugin in the microbit make code, so don't worry at all. And then this manual comes with so many exercises and learning materials, so you won't feel like going anywhere. Everything you will get out of the box. That's it. And then here's the bill. I don't want to explain this, you might get a different deal. So this is the V 1.3. Why they mentioned V 1.3? I think this is the CuteBot V 1.3, not the microbit, because microbit I got V 2.3 or 2.2, whatever is the latest. This is the line following robot track. You already have IR sensor, so you must be doing this, right? And then this is the battery holder, so you can power it by 3 AAA battery, and the battery doesn't comes with it. And I have 3 AAA battery. Let me put it in. So put it in the right polarity. 1, 2 and 3. This is the new batteries I bought. And finally, this is the CuteBot. Does it look cute? Definitely. After I put the ultrasonic sensor in its place, then you can look at the eye and say, oh, cute. So this is the ultrasonic sensor, and this is the point where you can put the ultrasonic sensor, and then you have the I2C port also. So I will put it in this, and now is it really looking cute? Yeah, am I cute? He's asking you. Okay, you can put in the comment section how it looks. And then you have this is the point where you can plug it in, this 2 AAA battery. I like this AAA battery thing because LiPo battery need a charger and other things, and this AAA battery is very readily available in market. So I think this will be more convenient for many people. Okay, I don't want to use my own microbit, so I ordered the CuteBot with microbit. So there's a good deal, because if you buy CuteBot with microbit, your microbit comes in just ₹1,000, not 1,400 or 1,700 that you get in other websites in India at least. So I got it in 1,000. So I thought, why not buy one more microbit? That's good deal, I believe. Let me know in comment section. You know any place where you get 1000 rupees microbit even if you buy one piece. Okay, so this is connected and it's not glowing. Why? Because it's a switch. That's a good thing. I like it. It will prevent it to be drained out. And now it's on. Oh, hello. And then I press this button. So looks like the default microbit code it comes up with. Oh, don't be sad. Now the recording. Hello, I am CuteBot. Nice. So rest of the things we need to program from the make code, and once it is done I will show you. Anyway, it comes with the programming cable or the data cable and a double-sided tape, I think, so that you can fit the AAA battery somewhere in the top of this 2 mini motors. But I don't know if I will do it or not, because it might block some of these points where you can get the servo motors and all. So I will look for some time and then I'll do. And by the way, this is the IR sensor. This is the IR sensor where you can operate by the IR remote control. So that's it about the unboxing. Where is the IR remote control? I think they haven't provided the IR remote control with this. Is it? I think yes. So maybe I can. I have IR remote control. I can just use it and let you know in some other video. So please subscribe so that I can get more encouragement to make more video using CuteBot and you get to know more about it. Thank you so much. Bye for today.